It's time for some more Daily Dose. We got 3 videos today. Awesome. Let's go ahead and get started.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose
Hello.
of Internet. This YouTuber did this prank with chocolate to see how people would react.
Yeah.
King tool. So you just go down.
Oh no, 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 I don't even want to
on your right.
So up there on the right.
Yeah.
yeah,
Just up there and on your right.
He wanted to do a trick the second that they were live and back on air.
Oh, nice, nice. Don't worry about it, Lizzie. Don't worry about it. We're not going back to that. The hell? What? What? Oh, his phone.
Storm is a brewing. Are
Dude.
we getting out?
Oh, yeah, I would get the frick out. Is he going back in the? Is he going in the hole? Yeah, he's going back out.
Imagine
Bye.
being this dumb and gullible.
The hell? Oh, he threw a sunflower seed on there. Okay. What the? Nice. Moo.
Moo. Good job. Where'd that come from? Oh wow.
Moo.
For some reason, their GPS navigator person started glitching.
I want that. I want to add that. I want to add that as a freaking redeem or something.
For some reason, their
No,
GPS.
one more.
Wow.
For some reason.
Oh,
their-
one more.
You found your moo. Good job. Where'd that come from? Oh wow.
For some reason, their GPS navigator person started glitching out.
Take the exit onto I-80. On Ohio Turnpike.
What the? Oh, they're gonna get him. They're gonna get him. They're gonna get him. They're gonna get him.
Oh no, somebody messed up my sign. You know, being in real estate, you have to have
Nice.
very thick skin and a great sense of humor.
I'll be on the ball. I want to go to the bat. Let's go, kids. Swing with a purpose.
My little toy.
His washing
Okay.
machine started going crazy.
What the frick did you put in there? Well, stop. We'll get up and turn it
They
off.
were spreading Grandma's ashes with some emotional music when they got interrupted by a Spotify ad.
Bye, Grandma. Goodbye, Grandma.
This is the quickest way to clear out stuck poop.
The number one food for regular humans.
Wow. What the?
This guy decided to buy himself a cake for no reason at all.
Thank you for
Look.
all you do. Who's that for?
For myself.
You bought.
You know what? He's a freaking adult. He could freaking buy a cake for himself if he wants one.
This.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry. Look, if he wants a freaking cake,
This plane
he's a
spotter
freaking
tripped and
adult.
fell
He
when
can buy
tried
himself a
recording his
freaking
plane.
cake. Meow. What? Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh! Hey,
This
look!
live streamer somehow
Freaking,
got struck by lightning inside of his
freaking
own
peak in
house.
real life.
Obviously it's running less at the moment, so it's gonna be better. Might.
Bro, I just got struck by lightning.
This dog always sits with the family at dinner time, but on this occasion, the rest of the family was late.
Aww. Aww. Of course, it's a friggin' it's a Goldie. Aww.
So this is how cleanups are done after a concert.
There you go. There you go. Huh.
I can see why this type of dog is called a German short-haired pointer.
Nah. Good job. That bird is like, what the?
These ducks were absolutely mesmerized by this yo-yo.
Están hipnotizados. Pobres patos, tú.
What? Turtle. I like turtle. I really gotta wonder. Do turtles really? Do turtles really feel it? When I'm assuming they do. I mean, he's definitely freaking relaxing or reacting. What does it feel like when a turtle gets his shell scratched? Oh, is he gonna? He's gonna do it too, isn't he? Yep. Oh no! Oh, yep. Bye.
This dog might be a skinwalker.
That's kind of creepy.
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh! Yeah, there we go.
I just found out that carrots can grow in really weird ways.
Here's the
The
first
hell?
one. Second one gets a little weird.
Looking a little sassy. Oh,
Third one gets
okay.
a little weirder. And the fourth one braided himself.
This aquarium in China does some crazy underwater dances.
Ooh, pretty. You know what it reminds me of, though, Lizzie? It reminds me of, oh god, what is it? I can't remember the name of that freaking root. Mandrake. Reminds me of Mandrake.
You've been asking how tall I am. I am almost 6 foot tall, which you all think is so ginormous. This is my baby sister.
Damn.
Sorry, I didn't see that.
He started recording
Wow.
because he didn't think that this trap
No, it's not just from Harry Potter. It's not just from Harry Potter, but it's the same thing.
was going to make it.
Ooh. Yep, it didn't make it. Well, there goes that
So
trampoline.
why does this dog look like a llama?
He does kind of look like a llama. Not just from Dungeon Meshi either.
Well, one of them. I have another one down here. But
Oh. Well. Good job.
This dog
Yay!
is terrified of this cat.
Yeah.
That is the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a
Dude,
little
that
better.
looks so cool.
And I'll see you guys
It's a
again
freaking
very
amazing
soon.
shot.
Later.
Later! Alright, next one.
Hello everyone, this is your
Hello.
daily dose of internet. This guy got a scam phone call while climbing a mountain.
Hey, it's Cornelia here. How are you?
I'm alright. What could I possibly help you with at this moment? The signal's terrible. Can you repeat that?
I'm calling to inform you that you qualify for our new loyalty.
Really well. If you saw where I am, darling, my premium would be incredibly high.
Go, Jeff!
Guys, I'm so trapped. I have no umbrella.
A few few days ago, this
What?
fighter jet in Spain almost crashed during an air show.
Oh no! Oh!
It's snowing out and it's really cold. Oh. And I have to move my car.
They were trying to record a cool video with a drone.
Bonk! What the? What are you doing? What are you doing?
This poor guy forgot to use his brain.
What? No! 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 Goodbye, phone. Oh no, little baby. My husband fell and his whole body landed on top of half of his sub and turned it into a flat. Nice. Well, I mean, still edible,
The
right?
seal jumped on his boat to avoid getting eaten.
It's right here. Oh my god, it's so sad. Oh my god. So sorry.
Ah, damn. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, okay.
Why are you videotaping yourself eating a slice of pizza?
Why are you 32 years old working as a delivery driver?
Because mommy and
7 out
daddy
of
don't
10.
pay for my life like you. And I had to climb my way up.
Hey, nice. Yay! He's so excited he got a PlayStation. What are you doing? Oh, hey! The cat bush is sprouting. Bonk!
Watching this video actually hurt my brain.
Huh. Okay. Nice. Nice. Oh, oh, oh!
오빠, 저리 가, 저리 가. 방해하지 말고 저리 가. 제발 저리 가.
No!
The air conditioning on this plane stopped working.
Oh. Oh, God.
Your best to just meditate and stay calm. Help each other.
Oof. Let me guess. There's someone in there. No? Okay. That plant is very thirsty.
When mommy does an accent. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What about when Daddy does on exit? Do you like it?
This goat gets scared whenever it sees him.
Okay.
You'll never guess the reason why these two cars got in a crash.
Oh, the ducks!
This guy was nice enough to buy them a new ball.
Hell yeah. Yeah. What in the hell?
I didn't know I needed a homemade laser beam until right now. He really figured out an infinite gas glitch.
No.
This
Yep.
photographer recorded a video of a dragonfly kicking an ant. This biker wanted to do a trick to get a free drink from Red Bull.
Nice.
Thank you, man.
Oh, well. That's one way to wake up.
These fish wanted to watch YouTube videos on his phone.
I wonder what they're watching.
This is what it looks like when an earthquake happens right in the middle of a surgery.
Yeah, I saw this. So this was over in Russia, right? Had a huge freaking earthquake. Uh-oh. No! Oh no! The tail! No, not the leg!
It floods so often in the Philippines that the delivery people still do their jobs by using floaties.
Thank you.
The dove wasn't scared, so he resorted to a drastic measure.
The hell?
People somehow keep losing their phones on roller coasters.
I wonder why. Nope, oh, there it was.
That was your phone. Bye-bye.
Is that a thing of pickles?
This dog took advantage of the situation.
Go up and
No!
This company
They're
invented
free!
peelable dinnerware that makes throwing things away super satisfying.
I guess? Oh, there goes the baby.
Just hanging out. Oh!
Hello.
There's no way!
This artist can create the body of a dragon
Oh,
with a
yeah.
single brushstroke.
Yeah.
So, I guess the police will use any vehicle as an undercover car.
Wait. Since
This
when?
little baby bird was spotted in Japan. That is the end of this video, or we hope you
Do
enjoyed
that
it.
as a...
And
Oh my
I'll see
god,
you
it is...
again
It's so
very
cute.
soon.
It's so cute and fuzzy. Alright, next one.
Hello everyone, this is your
Hello.
Daily Dose of Internet.
What are you... What are you... What?
Crunch your legs up. Crunch your legs up. Pick your legs up.
Whoa!
Oh, well. Oh! Oh! Ow! What the frick? Wait. Hold on. No. Hold on. Hold on. What? Yeah, that person came out of that hole. Oh, sleepy puppy.
That truck is a kidnap truck.
It's a kidnap truck.
Got myself a one-handed bottle opener.
I mean, yeah, it opened that bottle, all right. Oh!
So why did he suddenly get super evil?
Boy, you and this thumb. Hey.
The start of his villain arc.
You know when we landed?
Started that kid's villain arc. Oh no, it's gonna pop. Yeah.
Yo, we in Paris going baguette mode. Oui. Bonjour.
Stop. Nice.
I guess this is a pretty smart way to fix a car.
Well. Ooh. What the? A rat! What the frick? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh, there it goes! Oh no! I mean, at least it didn't hit anything.
They set up a volleyball court right in the middle of this river.
No! Stop. Okay. How? Oh man, how in the hell is she? No, my head. No.
These garbage men love this.
My head can't bend that far. Goddamn. She part owl. Nice. Damn, dude. Bye-bye, tree.
They worked as a team to break open the refrigerator.
Oh, come on.
He somehow got scared of his own tail. You can see the moment when he realizes that Mom will always show up. For some reason, his bee was seen standing on his back legs.
What is it? What is it doing? Oh, God. What are you doing? Oh, no. What is this guy doing?
Check out how powerful this thing is. I'm gonna shoot that nozzle that's hanging down from that grill over there. Oh, missed.
This guy casually walked inside at the absolute perfect time.
Goddamn. Yeah, if he was just a second later.
So I guess Japan has the fanciest soda drinks in the world.
Huh? What the?
He somehow didn't read the directions properly.
Well, today, Mr. Jingles is with his friend Ro. He's got many animal friends, Mr. Jingles. He likes Ro, he does.
I have never seen a typhoon that looked like
Damn. Dang, dude. Also, yeah, like it.
So I parked as far away as possible so no one would park beside me. And this guy decides to park this garbage literally a foot away. Literally a foot away from me. He had this whole parking lot. Jeez, man. Just because you drive a Lambo doesn't mean you can park wherever you want.
Right? Rude.
The frame rate of the phone camera makes the guitar strings look really weird. So I guess we now have drones that can fly and swim at the same time.
Oh, good. Just what we needed.
I think she might have found heaven.
Oh my god. Ah. Wait a minute. What is that? She really be having the nerve to look at me crazy whenever I accidentally trip on her. But it's like, girl, nobody, you sound like cats. No, like you literally sound like a cat, I'm not gonna lie.
What?
Their basketball hoops got taken down as punishment, but these school kids decided to play basketball anyways.
Yeah!
This new bug was just recently discovered in Australia.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
That is the end of this
Nope.
video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better.
That's a big nope.
And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
That it is cool looking, but that thing is huge. What the hell? God damn, dude. All right. Anyway, that was some good videos.